Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday to all of you. Here is some progress on Funman Alpha 1.1. Now, I released the first test. There's a link. It's playable now, just for Windows. I do hope to have it for Mac, but there are extra steps you need to take, and that'll take me a while. So, upon compiling this demo, I realized that I didn't do a lot of things efficiently. Even though you can work directly with Blender files, it's much wiser to create GLB files or object files in Blender and then export them for use. When I was trying to export the demo, I realized how incredibly bloated it was, and my organization was all over the place. Luckily, I didn't have a lot of stuff that I needed to keep. I had the characters and I had this building here, so everything else got scrapped. But that's not bad, because this entire scene here used to be imported from Blender, but now I do the work in Blender and then export the GLB and everything still works the same. Let me show you inside. I did a little work with the field of view, so things far away look blurry. Keldor isn't here at the moment, but I did add a little bit more personality to his shop. And instead of exporting the full UV maps, I baked everything, so it goes really fast. Here's a magazine rack that'll be something someday. That should... I exported them without collision shapes, so they're not making any noise. But that's not the exciting part. Let's go outside, I'll show you the exciting part. Up until recently, the concept of the UI and how things communicated with other things it confused me a little. But today, I figured out something monumental. If you played the demo, you realized the way that I asked you to find your items was to press escape, and you went into something that looked like this, and then you clicked the button. I realized that's not what a player is going to want to do inside the game. They're going to want something easy, and it needs to be fun, hence Funman. So now this screen here will just tell you what you've got so far, and when you get an upgrade it'll come down here. Check this out. There you go. This is how you can select which one you want to use. And I spent all day on that. All you do is toggle F, and then you click down to the one you want. So as of the moment, you only use one. I think that might be a cool gameplay thing to make things more challenging. But in addition to that, I've added these things. Now, the things up top, they're like gas station pills, and one is an upper, one is a downer, and one is an antipsychotic. But you're not going to get access to the antipsychotics till near the end of the game, because you'll see. But I think I'm not going to put those in this shop. These might go in a different shop, because these aren't really Keldor adjacent. And these things down here, these are sprays that'll have effects on the enemies. So you have Night Night, which will make someone go to sleep. You have a Get Lost, which will make them leave you alone. You have Get 'em, which will turn them on their own class of enemy. And Black Magic and Sprayo, I'm not sure what they're going to do yet, but it's very Bioshock inspired. So thank you, Bioshock. And these things here. So say you have the robot boot active, but you want the sandal speed. You can take like one of these things, and like the Pepamine that'll probably add speed, and then you can run with the robot boot where otherwise you could not. There'll be cool combinations you can do. This is a clean slate basically, but a clean slate that is easy to work on in the future. I'm still working out the workflows of how to do all the things the most efficiently, so I won't screw myself up again in the future. But of course, the more you learn, the more easy ways you find to do things. This is the best way I know how to do things now, and it seems to be more efficient than the way I was doing it before, and In the future, I'll probably figure out ways to do it even more efficiently and have to redo this. But for now, this is what I wanted. So that's where we are. Thanks, pals. There's a Kickstarter. It's going for like 7 or 8 more days. If you tell your millionaire friends about it, I'd appreciate it, because right now it's not doing too super. Thank you. I wish you pleasant dreams. I'll talk to you soon.